Have you ever wondered why scientists have not fully explored the Amazon rainforest till today? Well, the Amazon is not just any regular forest. It's a place where danger is hiding at every step. The trees are so thick that sunlight doesn't even reach the ground. The land is muddy and swampy with almost no proper paths. On top of that, there are poisonous insects, snakes, and dangerous animals everywhere. Scientists do want to do research here, but they always face the same problems.